Let's test one of our wild animal molds with our premium pigment powders. Peachy King and Silver Reflection Powder for the sunset, Dragon Scales Green for the tree and grass line, and then we're going to go in with our Gold Reflection Powder for the giraffe and Raven for the rhino. Then take Silver Reflection Powder and go all the way around the perimeter of the elephant, and I really wanted to get a nice holographic feel to this piece, so I did all of the legs as well. Take some packing tape, get any residual pigment so that your piece has definition. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix in some Back in Black with Goodbye Blue Sky. I wanted a midnight dark kind of feel in the background, and I feel like that really came through with this piece. So here is the demold, and now all I have to do is dome it and it will be ready to hang. I absolutely love this piece and I hope you'll join me for the doming.